Greetings to all. I am the student Mauricio Vanegas. I am from Nariño. I am a policeman. I work in Boyacá. I like to play soccer and swim. I have three brothers, a woman and two men. Their names are Jesus, Paola, Juan. My mother's name is Alice. She is 65 years old. She is from Pasto, Nariño. She is a salesman of domestic articles. In this house I live. There are three pets, two dogs and cat. This is my room. There is my bed. There are the portraits of my favorite scientists. There is this sofa bed. There is my TV and my computer. My favorite actor is Arnold Schwarzenegger. My favorite actress is Angelina Jolie. My name spelled is Mauricio. My last name is Banegas. Thank you for your attention. Bye.